Hello, this is Julio DAVILA, your Atlanta real estate agent, with another virtual home tour. We are in Alpharetta, Georgia, which is north of Atlanta. Today we are touring a home currently on the market, listed by Leah Wheeler, with Keller Williams Realty Community Partners. It features 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and is approximately 2,100 square feet. The schools in this neighborhood are Brandywine Elementary, Desana Middle, and Denmark High. If you are looking for a home and like what you see, please let me know. My contact is below. Don't forget to tell us what you think in the comments, like, and subscribe. Now let's take a look inside.
Perfect.